I know about you that
Please again.
may I know about you.
Yes, thank you. My name is Mehdi Hassan. I'm from Bangladesh, and specifically, I reside in Dhaka city. And in my personal life, I am an engineer, and I'm working in a private company in Bangladesh, which is a metro rail project. I'm working here as an assistant engineer from civil engineering department.
Yeah.
And I love to talk with others by using English language. That's why sometimes, this is not my group. I just try to select some group and try to, if I have any space, I try to utilize my time by talking with others because English is my passion. So this is my short introduction, brother.
What's your dream? That's what you really want to do in your life.
In my yes, we have everyone. We have dream. My dream is I don't want to complete my life to work in the private sector. In the future, I have planned to go abroad for my higher educations. I want to complete PhD from civil engineering department. I want to do my research on water treatment, and especially my dream country is Canada. I want to go to Canada. So in the future, after completing my graduation, I want to work with some international organizations as like UNICEF or Save the Child. I want to work for that types of organizations. This is my future plan, and I love traveling. I will do that types of job, which job will help me to travel all over the world. This is my future plan.
Even if you told me about that you want to go in Canada for your further study, right?
Yes, yes. This
So
is
are you
my.
planning for that?
Sorry, I can hear you perfectly because of technical issues. Can you repeat it?
I think are you planning for that to go in? I mean Canada.
Yes, I'm planning to go there. That's why, I had thesis. So I'm just trying to make it publications. So if I get publications and if I can achieve good IELTS score, then I will apply to some universities which are related to my subject, which is civil engineering. Then if I
Yeah.
get any scholarship, then I will go here to complete my higher educations.
Childhood passion to be a civil engineer, or you just choose it because of your father or family pressure?
Uh, no, not family pressure. Actually, I love this subject also. I love to make plan or design. Actually, my work is to making plan or design of any kinds of construction things as like house, roads, and switch gate. So I like to make my plan. So that's why I wanna make my career on this subject by this subject.
Yeah, it's great. So I think I just want to know right now, what are you doing? Are you happy with that?
Right now, I'm just working in a private companies. Already, I have mentioned you, which is Metro Rail project. Yes, my life is going very good because this is one kind of international job because I'm working for JICA, which is Japanese International Cooperation Agency. I'm working for JICA, which is Japanese company in our country. I'm working here.
So don't want to be a financial free that I think suppose you will do any kind of job in any company, then you have to work under them, then you have to follow their rule and term and condition. You have to go at 9 and you have to return at 5 o'clock. So I think don't you feel that you don't get the time to enjoy your, I mean, entire life?
When I started my job in JICA, then I had a lots of pressure. I had a lots of stress, and I couldn't draw my attention on my study. But right now, I don't have any pressure. I can continue my job from my home, office from home also, and I just visit my sites once in a week. So I don't have any pressure right now. It's depending on experiences. If you have experience slow by slowly, your salary will be increased, you will get increment, and your stress will be decreased. This is the main thing here.
Yeah, but I mean to say that you work from your home, right? But you don't get a time to visit any place, and you don't want to go anywhere with your friend to visit something.
Yes, I reside in Dhaka, which is the capital city of Bangladesh, and my university was it's located in in Dhaka city also. So on my holiday, which is Friday and Saturday, on my holiday I try to go outside I try to visit some areas, enjoy the moments.
Yeah, it's a great, but suppose I think there are so many people of entire world they are doing a job, but they are not really happy with that because they don't get a time to visit anywhere. Even
Yes.
they can't live the life which they want to live because suppose if you have a job, then you just get limited money. You can't buy a desirable car. You can't live in a desirable home.
Yes, it's depending on the job and the designations. You know,
Yeah,
also in our country they have lots of private companies. If you work for them, you will not get enough time to concentrate yourself also, and they
yeah.
have a lots of pressure and they are not happy. I mean, workers are not happy with this salary. It's depending on the organizations or the companies you are working. So from my company, they have no pressure, and I'm enjoying my life.
So I think
So, brother,
what's your
uh,
opinion about your own business? You don't want to start your own business in civil engineering that
yes, yes, it's a great question
even you
you
can
have
be a
asked me.
contractor.
Yes, this is very good question you have asked me that. Yes, of course, civil engineer, that's mean right now I'm working for JICA and just achieving some experiences. I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
working I'm not working only for the monies here. I'm working
yeah,
here to get some experiences. If I can get enough experiences, then if you wanna do any kinds of business for the first time, you have to make your own platform. Without making platform, you cannot be a good businessman or successful businessman, right? So,
yeah,
at first I wanna earn money, earn experiences. Then I wanna create my own business. I mean, in the future, I have planned to make construction firm. And if you wanna make a construction firm from civil department, then you have to invest lots of money. So that's why I wanna go to abroad and wanna work and wanna earn some monies and experiences as well as, and then in the future I will obviously if I have time I will create my own business because in if you have business in business you have independent, you don't have any pressure, you can relax your time and you can be a good entrepreneur and you can make your companies as like you. So this is the great opportunity.
yeah, bro. I think you are on the right path that you are just acquiring your experience, and it's a good thing that. And I wish that you would have, I mean, great company.
Yes, brother, pray for me, and also I wish your English is good, and I hope uh, you have a good future. Also, you have bright future.
Yeah.
Okay, brother, it was a good time, and I'm getting some more requests, and I have to give them opportunity also.
Okay, bro.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We will talk later. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, yeah.